Good morning students. Today we shall see the book exercise of the lesson Storyteller. I hope you understand the lesson. So in the lesson what did we see? We have learned about the puppets. There are four types of puppets. They are string puppet, shadow puppet, glove puppet and rod puppet. So have you all remember the puppets and in which place they are famous for and they are made up of, in which material they are made up of, like that? Have you all remember? Okay. So let's do our exercise. Okay. So read this sentence. Write T for true and F for false. Okay. First A. Rod puppets are figures cut from leather. So this is a false. So rod puppets, okay, are made of woods only, but here they are given a leather. So it is a false. So write F in the box. The next B. Glove puppets have legs. So the glove puppets, they don't have legs at all, but here they are given they are having the legs. So this is the false one, false statement. Then C. String puppets are called Katputli. Yes, the string puppets are called as Katputli in Rajasthan. So this is a true only. Then D. Shadow puppets are figures made of wood. So this is a false. So what is this? Shadow puppets are made of? So the shadow puppets are made of leather only. Okay, the shadow puppets, they are made of leather only, but here they are given wood. So this is a false. Okay, usually the shadow puppets, they are made of leather. Okay. Then see this is a second exercise for you. So here they are given the puppets name, that is string, shadow, glove, rods. These are all the four puppets we have learned in the lesson. And what are the materials? Okay, the puppets, each puppets, they are made up of one material. You have to write down the material and what is the movement of the puppet. Every puppet, they are having a movement. Okay, the movement was done by the puppeteers. Okay, so how they move, like that you have to write. And in you have to write down, we are found in which states. Okay, the puppets are found in, each puppets, they are found in which states, like that you have to write down. Okay, and few example is given. So see here in puppet string. Okay, only these string puppets, in that they are given all the things, the material, movement and state, everything is given as an example for you. So see here string puppets, the materials they use for string puppet are terracotta. Terracotta, it's a reddish brown clay, is it? From which we can make a pot, statue, etc. And for the string puppets, we can use the terracotta also. In ancient days, we used terracotta, but nowadays we are using cloth, wood and metal. And what is the movement of the string puppet? That is strings. With the help of the string and threads only, it will move. Okay, so here they are writing strings. The next one, in which states they are found in? They are found in Rajasthan and Odisha. Okay, so like that we have to write for the shadow, glove and rod. Let's do that. So the shadow puppets are made of, what is the material they are made up of? Made up of a leather. Okay, so write it in the correct column. Under the shadows are made of the leather. Okay, shadows puppet, the material that used for shadow puppet is the leather. The next one, what is the movement of the shadow puppet? That is, they are standing against the light to form the shadow, is it? From that only they will move. Okay, they are stand against the light. Stand against the movement of shadow puppet is stand against light. Okay, then next the shadow puppets are found in which states? Can you tell me? The shadow puppets are found in Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Okay, you have to write down these states. Okay, so what are they? Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka Maharashtra, and last in a state, that is Tamil Nadu. Okay, so shadow puppets are found in Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. Okay, the next we can come to the glove puppet. Okay, glove puppet, what is the material for glove puppet? So we made this from the paper or the cloth. Okay, the material is paper or cloth, we can use any material. Okay, and what is the movement of the glove puppet? It is a puppet's finger. With the help of the finger only it will move, no? So finger, the movement is finger. Whose finger? That is puppeteer's finger. Okay, if I am asking the which finger means, you have to tell the puppeteer's fingers only. Okay, so the puppeteers only will wear the glove puppets. Okay, so with the help of their fingers only they will move. Okay, so finger, whose finger? It is a puppeteer finger. Next one, in which states we found the glove puppet? That is Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and Kerala. Okay, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala. Okay, so we have written for the glove puppet. Next, the rod puppet. Okay, the rod puppet are made of woods. What material? That is, the rod puppets are made of wood. The material is wood. Next one, what is the movement? That is, with the help of the sticks and rods they move. Okay, sticks and rods. Sticks or rod. The next one, we found rod puppet in, that is, West Bengal and Odisha. Okay, in these states we will find West Bengal and Odisha. Okay, so we have written for all the puppets what is the material, movement and which states they are founded in. Like that we have written, finished everything for the 4 types of puppets. Okay, so you have to study this very well. Okay, next we shall move on to the next topic. Now students, here S will come, that is fingers. Okay, and then rod, here also S will come. Okay, corrected, fingers, rods. Okay, so you have to add S to that. Okay, fingers, rods. Now we shall do the next topic. Now we shall see the vocabulary junction. Okay, so you learn that string puppets. Okay, so here I have written the puppets names and I have written the material also. Okay, so each puppets they are made up of with one material. That materials I have written here. Just I am going to recap for you. That is puppets, that is string, shadow, glove, rod. And what are the materials they are used of? Let us see. The string. Okay, the string puppets is made of terracotta, wood, metal, cloth. And shadow puppets are made of leather. Glove puppets are made of paper or cloth, and rod puppet are made of wood. Okay, so these are all the materials. Okay, so we use these materials to make several objects. Is it by using terracotta, wood, metal, cloth, leather, paper, cloth, wood. So these are the materials. So with the help of these materials we can make the several objects. Okay, that only they are saying we use these materials. These materials to make a several object. Okay, object here referring to a thing. Okay, so by using these materials we can make several things for our life. Okay, now see for example what are the things they are given. Like for example, see here a furniture. Okay, furniture is made of wood. Furniture means chair, table, bench, desk. That's all comes under the furniture. Furniture is made of wood. Okay. The next one, belt. Belt is made of leather. Belt is made of leather. The next one, bed sheet. Okay, in your home you are having the bed sheet. No, the bed sheet is made up of cloth. Is it? Bed sheet. It's made of cloth. The next one, newspaper. Okay, in your home you will buy the newspaper. No, the newspaper is made up of a paper only. Is it? Newspaper, it's made of paper only. And the next one, pot. Pot is made of terracotta. I have told no, a pot, terracotta is a reddish brown clay. From that we can make a pot, flower vase, like statue, tiles. Okay. So pot is made of terracotta. Okay. So these are all the examples. Okay. We use these materials to make several objects. Now for that I have in your book they are given the examples. Okay. So these are all the materials. Okay. The right side is your right side. This is the material names, and these are all the left side. You are having no. So before the hyphen you are having no. These are all the object. Okay. These are all the object like furniture, belt, bed sheet, newspaper, pot. These are all the things. Okay. So furniture are made of wood, belt is made of leather, and bed sheet are made of a cloth, newspaper is made of paper, pot is made of a terracotta. Okay. So for that we have seen the examples. Students, have you clear with this? So each and every materials. So we can make a several object. Okay. So see the exercise. Circle the odd one out in each set. Okay. You have to circle the odd one out. See what are the words they are given? Purse, bench, pencil, cricket ball. Can you tell me here what is the odd one out here? It is a purse. Purse is the odd one out. The next one, magazine, bottle, books, envelope. So here books is the odd one out. Books. The next, see cup, notebook, pot, vase. Here the odd one out is notebook. Okay. The next one, D, you have to do this as the homework. Okay. You have to find what is the odd one out here. Then see the second exercise. Circle the name of the object that are made of wood. Okay. You have to circle the object that are made of wood. Okay. So here they are given the list of words for you. In that, what are the things that are made of wood? That words alone you have to circle. Okay. Then what are the words they are given? Chair, table, mirror, eraser, door. Okay. So in these there are 5 words are there, no? So in that there are only some things that are made up of wood. Can you tell me what are they? The chair is made of wood. Table is made of wood. So mirror it's made of wood? No, it's not. Eraser is not made of wood. Then door is made of wood. Okay, so you have to circle these words. Okay, what are the words you have to circle? Chair, table, door. Okay, so these are all the things we can make from the wood. Okay, made of wood. The things are chair, table, door. The next one, circle the names of objects that are made of paper. What are the things that are made of paper? Can you tell me? What are words they are given? Book, curtain, water bottle, greeting card, calendar. Okay, the things that made from the paper are book, greeting card, the next calendar. Okay, calendar is made of paper only. Is it? Calendar. The next, circle the name of the object that are made of terracotta. I have told no, terracotta. So from that we can make a pot, flower pot, vase, like that I have told no. So can you tell me? That is saucer, pot, vase. So from terracotta we can make these materials. What are the, sorry, from terracotta we can make these things. That is saucer, then pot, then vase. Okay, from the terracotta we can make these material, make these object. Okay, from the terracotta. So terracotta is a material. From this material we can make this objects. The next one, circle the name of the object that are made of cloth. It's very easy, no? Can you find out? That is bag, towel, apron. Okay, these are the things we can make from the material cloth. What are the things? That is bag, towel and apron. Okay, these are some of the things, which is made of cloth. Okay, bag, towel, apron. The next one, and this you have to do as the homework. Okay, you have to circle the words that are made up of the letter. Okay, what are the object? You have to circle the object name that are made up of the leather. Okay, students, have you clear with this topic? So the homework for today is, that is, in first you have to do D homework, and in second exercise you have to do E as the homework. Okay, so I hope you all understand this. So what did we see? So we have seen the set going and also the vocabulary junction in this video. So I hope you understand. Thank you, students.